मेरे नमस्ते मेरे भाई और बहनों, मेरे प्रिय भाई और बहनों, ये देखिए हिमालय, एक हिमालय जो इतना सुंदर और खूबसूरत है। ये देखिए, यहाँ पे अभी बारिश भी गिरने का समय है, ठीक है। इसके अलावा यहाँ पे ठंड भी बहुत हो रही है। उसके अलावा भी, ठंड के अलावा भी यहाँ पे जो सुकून है वो कहीं नहीं है। Hello everyone, this is the Himalaya of India itself. You can see the climate of here, which is very cool. It's looking like it's raining. Yeah, it's raining right now itself. Okay, apart from that, this is a peaceful place where everyone wants to visit at this place at one time. You can see each and every scenarios in this, the mountains, the clouds, the rainfall, and many more things. See, even you can see the at the down also. Here the people which are going down and some are coming up with the camel itself. Oh, that's, I think so. That is in horse. It's in horse. The people which are coming up. Okay, this is the loveliest. This is the Himalaya.